So what can we show you today? Going round on the Bone Idle and Workshire Railway is a Western Region 8-car Blue Pullman, created entirely from Triang rolling stock with conversions for the missing items. I am indebted to Paul Sutton, who sent me the pages from Brian Golding's book with all the details of the missing items from the Triang rake. This has been generated in response to the kitchen car I created using the 3D printer, which garnered a lot of support and an awful lot of very nice comments. Thank you very much. But people asked me, would I create the correct missing items from the Pullman rake? So I set about looking at those using the pages from Brian Golding's book. Now here we have the standard power car. Next, a converted Triang parlour car to a second parlour car, 9 windows. Then the kitchen car conversion. Then the 2 standard Triang parlour cars, parlour firsts, and another kitchen car. And then the other parlour second, created again from a parlour first with 9 windows, and bringing up the rear, the ubiquitous standard trailer unit. And there she is, a Triang 8-car Western Pullman. So what about the Midland Pullman, I hear you ask? Well, the Midland Pullman, of course, came in a 6-car formation. Basically had no parlour seconds. Had 2 kitchen cars, 2 parlour firsts, but had extra toilets in the power cars, peculiarly. Now, as I already make replacement inserts for the standard Western power car with the 3 windows, because they are quite often found that they've come unglued and fallen out, it wasn't too much of a stretch to convert that particular insert to take the frosted glass for the toilet in the power cars, and there she is. Again, kitchen conversion, 2 Triang standard parlour seconds, another kitchen conversion, and the toilets included in the trailer car. 1 Midland Pullman, gentlemen. Thank you for your indulgence. I hope you've enjoyed this.